Hello, my dear students. Our today's topic is about a poem On Time by John Milton. So, in this poem, about the effects of the time on our lives, how this time plays a crucial role in the life of all of us, how the things get changed with the passage of time. So, this is gonna be the theme of your poem, and this is jotted down by John Milton, a quite famous poet of English. Okay, so before discussing this poem, I would like to discuss some information about John Milton also. You can see about the poet. Description of poem is here. John Milton was an English poet, pamphleteer and historian. He was an English poet, pamphleteer and historian. He is best known for writing Paradise Lost, which is widely regarded as the greatest epic poem in English. So we can say his masterpiece of writing was Paradise Lost, which got a huge popularity. It earned him a great fame and name also. This is supposed to be the greatest epic poem in English. His master work Paradise is Lost is greatest epic poem in English. Here greatest epic. What do you understand by epic? Epic here means a long narrative tale of some heroic deeds, a story about the some heroic deeds of some great people. Okay, he was a prominent author during a time of political upheaval and religious flux. When the political wars were going on, when the political unstableness was there and religious confusion was there, he played a key role by his writing during that time. So his poetry and prose reflect deep personal conviction and passion for freedom and self-determination. So he used to think about political topics also, about the religious matters also. So clearly we can say his writings were also mostly about showing his personal convictions and the passion for the freedom and self-determination we can find in his work. Okay, so let me tell you a bit about the theme also. Here on time, it means the theme of the poem is about the bad times when people are lost in worldliness. The poet is basically talking about the times when people are lost in worldliness. He is saying how the time plays its role, when how people behave so badly, how materialistic they become with the passage of time. He is trying to share his opinion through this poem on time. The poet wants this time to pass quickly, so he is too much dissatisfied, he is discontented with the time of, what I can say, he is too much irritated, he is hating the feeling of hatred and envious and jealousy. So he is saying in this poem he wants this time to pass quickly, and he is hoping that the time comes, the good time comes in our life, when the people become real and genuine, when the world is full of truth, peace and happiness. Soon poet is wishing for such a time to come when people are guided by God. Poet is trying to say people are totally misguided by materialism. They are only looking for their money, they are only looking for some power, for the authority. They have nothing to do with the honesty and good moral principle. The poet is saying that he is looking for the time when people are guided by God, they are following the principles of God, they are leading their life with the holiness. Poet is wishing for this time to come, and he is saying that the time should come when this world become the happy place. And again he is saying he is wishing for the time when there is no place for hatred and envy in this world. Okay, so I share here about the poem also, some ideas you can get. In the poem On Time, Milton deals with the idea that life on the earth is fraught with constant change and decay. through this poem he just trying to say that nothing is permanent, there is nothing perennial in our lives, things keeps changing and decay. It means there is constant change and decay, there is demolition of things, there is change of time, there is nothing regular in our lives. Okay students, it's a poem essentially about surviving in a crazy world where time influences the lives of people. Poet is just trying to say how will you deal in such atmosphere, how will you go on with the materialistic atmosphere, okay, where time influences the life of people. He just tried to say here there is no one who is not influenced by the effect of time. We all get effect with the passage of time. The poet is emphasizes that humans can escape the ravages of time by attaining an eternal life in heaven, by leading a pious life. He is just saying that we can only escape, we can only run away with this effect of time by only attaining a eternal life in heaven. Once we become dead, we can only attain a pious life then. Thus the poet's religious conviction is also significant, remarkable here. So we can also see the religious ideas, the moralness of the John Milton in this poem. Done. This poem has been categorized into 4 stanzas. You can see. Okay students, go through it, you will understand well. Thank you for giving me your time.